Hi, families, Prek families. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some math skills today. If you joined the morning meeting earlier this morning, at the beginning of the week, Christy talked a little bit about measuring yourself. How tall are you? A lot of times in school, we measure ourselves with a piece of yarn. We see how long our yarn is. There's a lot of other ways we can measure around our homes. And so I encourage you to think about what you have nearby and see how long things are. Sometimes we have things called a measuring tape or a ruler, and that helps us measure. But we can also measure with all kinds of things. Watch this. On my desk, I have a battery. Earlier today, I got a big coffee. Let's look how many tall our coffee is. 1, see, I'm going to put my finger there and go up. 2, 3. My coffee is 3 batteries long. I also have, a big folder. Here's a big folder. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about 5 batteries long. So you can find all kinds of things. You don't need a ruler or a measuring tape. I want to know how many things in your house you can measure with. Do you have something like this? A manipulative you can measure with? It's another thing you can measure with. I'm going to share my screen real quickly and show your grown-ups that there's a page in our book. Do you see this book? There's a page here, 67, that talks about measuring things at home. This talks about using a measuring tape, which you can have if you have one. You can also measure things around your home in different ways. It doesn't have to be with a measuring tape. You can see how tall you are. You compare your heights. One of my favorite things, and so your grown-ups can read that page and see if they get some ideas. One of my favorite things to measure with, do you know what it is? I'm going to show you. A shoe. Try to see how long something is with your shoe or your grown-up shoe and see if it's 4 of your shoe, 2 of your grown-ups, and see how many. Tell me how much fun you had measuring this week. I really hope you enjoy it and send us a picture.